Materialistic Platon. Hi, I told you about an interesting book that we are reading at the UPIITA School, and some students and teachers discuss us where the mathematics comes from. And uh, historically, there have been philosophers that have been trying to work out this problem. In this book, we have two points of view with the authors, Alain Connes, Mathematic, and Jean-Pierre Changeux, Biologist. We could say that Alan has a platonic view, and in the other hand, is Jean with materialistic view. In this section, we can notice neither of them turn down, and sometimes it's a little funny because one of them goes at the other and no one appears to give him.
Living the fight, fighting to live. This ain't the end. Fighting to live, living the fight.
The Platonic ideas take away the body pleasures and look up the spiritual nutrition. It defends that there is other world where the time doesn't pass. There is where the mathematics are. Well, in contrast, Jane tried to show the materialism's ideas that put away all that isn't in this reality. Alain Connes says that we have used axioms, for example, to begin to construct, to fade in step by step. These steps are the connection, or that these actions are the bridge with this immaterial world that never will be over. Jen said the mathematics are a construct of the human brain, and it makes the language. So he says the brain is our instrument to construct the mathematics, and in this part he agrees with Alan in using the brain to construct. But the problem is coming because Jane uses the next site. Wait a minute. The abstraction mechanisms are to construct, to fabricate objects and classes with sensible material that brings the natural world. So our brain let us construct mathematics. It's the principal idea that set us Jane. Yes, and this is only a way that we use to represent the reality. Mathematics is the abstraction of the world, and the mathematics exists because we have a highly developed and well-adapted brain. Alan replies that we use basic elements. We could say that they are brain tools that can help us to discover new complex elements. And using the logic and going over after we find out these complex and complete elements, where the method that we had used isn't important. These complete elements are the final form, and he mentioned the next example. When someone arrives, someone discovers an island, maybe the person arrives in a specific point, and in other events, this same person could arrive in another point and with other methods. So he says the reality won't change, you can use whatever way, and yes, and come in only if you use logic steps to the mathematics world and pick up the mathematical element. Well, it's truly complicated. Say if the mathematics exists out of our brains, or are a creation of it. Neither of these two point of view can be turned up, but something that we are completely sure is that the mathematics describes our micro world perfectly, and this mathematics has allowed to control the nature, but well, in my point of view, I take the Platonic ideas away, because I think if we don't have a developed brain, we couldn't know all the mathematics. I back up the materialistic ideas because we transform our world, and in this reality, not in other in materialistic world.
I'm so excited. Today I'm gonna die.